How to watch DramaBox series for free. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can watch DramaBox series for free. For this, launch open the DramaBox app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, a couple of episodes on DramaBox are for free, so you can simply tap on any series that you want to watch and watch the first couple of episodes absolutely for free. But after those certain episodes, you will have to get the membership in order to watch those episodes. So as you can see, you will have to subscribe to the membership in order to view this episode. In this case, what you want to do is open up any web browser. Now in the search box, you want to type in the name of the series, then space. Now type Daily Motion, and then you want to search for this. Now on Dailymotion, you will be able to watch the entire drama for free, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.